Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am your host, Evan, and today we are breaking down the pre-market moves you need to know. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let's get right into it. Penguin Solutions is seeing massive action, jumping significantly pre-market. This follows a strong quarterly report where the company beat earnings expectations and raised its full-year outlook, fueled by urgent demand for high-performance memory in the AI infrastructure space. Broadcom is also in the spotlight, gaining ground after Apple announced a multi-year chip agreement worth over $30 billion, securing Broadcom as a key supplier through 2031. Meanwhile, Bloom Energy is moving after the company issued a firm rebuttal to a recent short seller report, labeling the claims as false and misleading while reaffirming its supply chain stability. NVDA remains a key focus as investors digest news that the French Competition Authority is nearing the end of its investigation into the chipmaker, and Arista Networks is trending as it continues to see momentum following its inclusion in the Russell Top 50 Index and high demand for its new AI networking platforms. Turning to the broader market, futures are trading mixed today as investors balance geopolitical tensions with corporate news. Overnight, markets were rattled by reports of escalating conflict between the United States and Iran in the Middle East, which has put upward pressure on oil prices. Traders are also closely monitoring the reaction to semiconductor sector volatility, which has been weighing on sentiment. There are no major macro data prints scheduled for today, so the focus remains squarely on individual company performance and geopolitical headlines. In the AI economy, the theme is all about infrastructure and scalability. We are seeing continued reports of data center projects facing delays or regulatory blocks across the United States, totaling over $130 billion in stalled investment. Despite these headwinds, companies like Meta are pushing ahead with aggressive compute capacity targets, and we have new innovation from Whitefiber, which just announced a cross-data center networking breakthrough that could help link geographically separated facilities into unified superclusters. Looking at stocks in focus, we are watching the fallout from the latest news cycle. Outside of the big tech names, keep an eye on how the market digests the latest supply chain updates. Investors are also keeping a close watch on any further institutional activity, as recent filings show some reshuffling of positions in major semiconductor and networking players. On the earnings front, PepsiCo reported this morning. While the company beat revenue estimates, shares are under pressure as it flagged tightening consumer budgets in North America and kept its annual outlook unchanged. Looking ahead to after the bell, we have the WD-40 company reporting its third quarter results. Analysts are watching for signs of continued pricing power and how the company is managing input costs, especially given its strong year-to-date performance. Delta Airlines is also on our radar, as it is set to report earnings tomorrow morning, which will be a major bellwether for the travel and transportation sector. To recap today's session, we are seeing a tug-of-war between strong AI-driven growth stories and broader geopolitical concerns in the Middle East. With PepsiCo showing mixed results and energy prices remaining volatile, the market is looking for direction. Thanks for tuning in to today's FinPod. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what stocks or sectors you want me to cover next. For more insights and stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. See you tomorrow.